So that's huge. That's huge. So you can see the top collection right there before investing. Last 7 days. So for today, last 30 days, all time. You can see these are the Snoop Doggy coins. aka Snoop. If I click on the Snoop Doggy coins, the coin bit starts from $95. Creator is Snoop Dogg. This is Snoop. Okay. So if I go to the Twitter, and entertainment icon Snoop Dogg has resigned for more than 2 decades as an unparalleled force who has raised the bar as an entertainer, globally recognized innovator. So this will take me to official Snoop Dogg's account. So which is like pretty good. Diamond joint, you can see the art, Snoop Doggy coins right there, these nuts, you can see Dataro, Drop the Mic, The Hustle. So there's a lot by Snoop Dogg going on in the crypto.com. So there you can see some more projects around there. The Kaiju Legends, the top, this is on top 5. And the collection is 3.5k, owners are 1k, auction starts from $1, and if you buy now the floor is $39, volume 39 is 194k dollars, which is pretty good, you can say. So that's all. Like in the crypto.com, not only cryptos, you can also trade NFTs, mint projects. You can go through their like their how the NFT looks. You can go through the project, like the Discord server, the Twitter, their official Twitter, how these things work, NFT project in collaboration with crypto, combining art, toys, and gaming. So the crypto.com, mint yours now. And there you can see their website. So there's a lot of things going on the NFT markets. Oh damn, I like this. I like their website. So you can already see they're promoting crypto.com in their website, also their Discord, their gallery. You can see for that's on Ethereum 0.02 if you mint by OpenSea. This is their collection on OpenSea. And on OpenSea, the floor price is around 0.02 and the total volume is $27. So this is the same project which we see on the crypto. So if buy on the crypto.com, the price is $39, but on OpenSea, like the last sold was around $95, 0.02 Ethereum. So there you buy from Ethereum. Yeah, there are some like which sold around 28, 41, and 34 too. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. So that's all for today, guys. Like, yeah, crypto.com is overall a very great website for cryptos and NFTs. You guys can start investing on this website, or you can download the official app of this. That's a great thing. Thank you so much.